Welcome to another video. Welcome to our channel. Just recently watched a video from German and Venice touring the devastation and the aftermath of the Palisades fire. Mike did a wonderful job documenting the total destruction and, as per usual, his love for California. After watching this video, I checked to see whether we'd got any footage of this once beautiful area, and I'm sure it's going to be an area that will be awesome again soon. We managed to find some video from 2018, and I would love to share this with you, and maybe somebody out there it could also provide some cherished memories to people who have actually lost everything within their homes. Hope you enjoy the video. So this is Pacific Coast Highway and we're at Will Rogers State Beach. And just look at the beautiful palms and of course plenty of traffic on a normal day. We're just passing Temescal Canyon Park Boulevard. So the Pacific Palisades is all up to the right hand side here. Now I'm not too sure where the damage is, but I'm guessing the houses on the left there are now gone. And if you're not familiar with California, you can see the hillsides are very, very mountainous. So when a fire begins, it's very, very difficult to control it. Now we're in Malibu at the moment. We're going to head back down the coast towards Santa Monica. And I will see if I can tell you the areas that may have been affected. So we're just about to pass Malibu Pier. Absolute beautiful area. And just look at the hillsides, absolutely wonderful. Now I do believe Malibu has escaped a lot of the fires, but Malibu has had its problems in the past. Pacific Coast Highway is just something that you've got to do when you're in California. The beautiful hillsides, the homes, and the areas you go through are simply stunning. And of course, again, it's always packed full of traffic. I believe currently at the moment the Pacific Coast Highway is closed to most traffic and open just to the homeowners of the Palisades. A lot of people I've seen have been commenting about how the homes have been built in California of wood, but remember, this is earthquake country. It's not like England where they can build them of bricks and mortar. And don't forget, wood in California lasts almost a lifetime. So I'm guessing we're coming up to the areas that the homes here on the right side will have definitely all been gone. And certainly up in the hillsides, a lot of devastation around here, I'm guessing. And I do hope this video can bring some memories to the people involved in this terrible tragedy in beautiful California. Again, you can see the hillsides there. Once the fires start in those hills, it's very, very difficult to contain. And with the Santa winds blowing all the embers, that's where all these beautiful properties on the right hand side have now gone. But hey, this is California, this is America. And I'm sure they'll rebuild, and they'll rebuild to something much, much better. And I'm sure within 5 years, if not maybe longer, it'll be beautiful again. Just look at the coastline all the way down to to Santa Monica. Again, I'm not too sure which are the areas here that have been damaged. We are coming out in April, and I do hope to come and look and see the devastation for myself. Just look at the beautiful Pacific Ocean as we make his way down Pacific Coast Highway. And again, this was taken in 2018. It was a beautiful day. And just look at all those stunning homes, all overlooking the ocean, just past the Ocean Club there. I do remember seeing something where I think that is possibly opening up again, so maybe that did survive. And we're getting close to the Will Rogers State Beach area again. Beautiful palm trees, and a lot of those I've seen on the videos have been burnt. Such a shame. But again, what a wonderful area to live in, and I'm sure within years all these guys will be back to normal, living in this fabulous place they still call home. Palisades will all be on the left hand side here. Stunning palm trees, beautiful properties. And we're just approaching Sunset Boulevard there on the left hand side, and the beach here, Will Rogers State Beach. As we head further down into Santa Monica, looking over the Santa Monica Bay there. I believe this area has been pretty much untouched, maybe a few burn areas to the left hand side. And we're going to be passing soon the famous Baywatch headquarters. I'm not too sure whether that actually caught any of the issues in the fire. As you can see, building there at the bottom of Wilshire Boulevard in Santa Monica, and just check out that traffic, and I'm sure soon traffic will be back to normal. Just past the Baywatch headquarters there and the famous 80s series. Such a beautiful place, and a great feeling to drive down what's known as the PCH, the Pacific Coast Highway. Palisades State Park up here at Santa Monica, and we're going to be passing some beautiful homes overlooking the Santa Monica Pier here. So glad that I've managed to find this video. Me and Glynn have been travelling to Los Angeles since 1988. We class it as our second home, and we certainly have the feelings of what's happened and all the devastation. We have been taking some 4K footage throughout the Los Angeles area over the last few years, but unfortunately never drove the Pacific Coast Highway and taken that footage with the 4K GoPro. And of course, we're now at that time where I wish we had. So looking forward to coming back home to California in April. And again, we will take a look to see how everyone's going on in the Palisades area. and of course Altadena and other disaster areas throughout Los Angeles. Thanks for watching the video today, guys, and if I find any additional footage that we've taken showing how the area used to look like, we will post in future videos. We'll see you all again soon, and we'll see you in California in April.